Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to share what I got for Christmas. But before I start that, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So I have 3 items. One from Prada, one from Gucci, and one item from Bottega Veneta. This is my very first item from Bottega, and I got a bag, and this is my most favorite among all 3, so I'm going to show you guys this one at the end. So I'm going to start with Gucci, and here is the bag for Gucci, the shopping bag. And by the way, I got all of these items from their e-store. I didn't go to any physical boutique. I got from the online store. So let's unbox or unpack this one. Here is it, and the item is nicely packaged in this kind of purple packaging. I know what is inside, but I haven't checked the item inside. And here is the inside of the box. There is, I think, the care booklet. And here is the pouch. Nice purple pouch. Like I said, I know what is inside, but I haven't checked the item. And there is a, I don't know what is it, kind of soft cotton material. And the item I got are these pair of earrings. So these are all crystals, white crystals, and this is a black crystal, I believe, and the hardware is antique gold. Let me show you the, yeah, there you go. And here is the back. I like that it has a post because I don't like the clip-on earrings. And you can see the crystals are not only on the front, they are on the side as well. And if you are interested, I'm going to link this in the description box, so check the description box. You can't really see the black stone with my black hair. There you go. You guys know how much I love jewelry, so I had to get something for Christmas, and I chose these pairs from Gucci. And I love this box, by the way. It's a beautiful purple color, very rich royal purple. Love it. Here is the next item from Prada. Here is the receipt for Prada, and here is the item. And I don't think most of you will like this item, but I love this. Here's the packaging. The item I got is this necklace. So this is a plexiglass necklace, and this is huge, guys. Let me show you. Look at the size of this necklace, and I love this. I love the color. I love the logo. This is my Chanel necklace, and this is the necklace I got, and you can see the size difference. Let me take this out and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the neck. I love the color. I just love it. So here is the hoop and loop closer, or I don't know what is it called, and that is the Prada logo there. Made in Italy, and this is very lightweight. I would say, I think they have the same weight with this one, or maybe this is a little bit more, but it's not that heavy. This is how it looks. I think it will go well with I don't know, I don't think this is going well with this dress I'm wearing, this sweater dress. I think with this one the white gold looks better, but with this I think something warm color will look good. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. I just love it. What do you guys think? So I'm going to link this one as well if I can find it, or if it is still available. So check the description box. If you like chunky jewelry, then you'd love it. And they have many different colors in this necklace, so I may get like the white one. Yeah, so this is my second piece for Christmas. I love it. Let me show you one more time. So like I said, this is made of plexiglass. I don't know what is plexiglass, but the description says plexiglass. And you can see this is not just a single color. It has like different color in it. The last but not the least comes in this box, and like I said, this is a bag, and this is my first purchase from this fashion house. Here is the dust bag. I think this is care booklet, receipt, and here is the item. And to reveal, da 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 da. So this is Jodie mini bag in the color racing green. I love this color, guys, and I love the style of this bag. I have nothing like this bag. This is different. Like the necklace, I don't think most of you like this bag, but I love it. The camera is not capturing the real color. This is kind of dark forest green, and this has a sheen to it. It's a beautiful color, guys. I just love this color. And like other items, I got this one as well from the e-store or the online store. This particular color, they come in many colors, but I wanted this color, and this color was not available in anywhere, like in Neiman or Saks. So I had to get this one from the Bottega site, and I believe they got the item from Europe and then they sent it to me. So if you like this bag in this color, then I don't know, check Neiman and Saks, because last time I checked they didn't have this color. If they didn't have, you can just order it from the Bottega website. Yeah, so this is my first bag from Bottega and I just love it. And it came nicely packaged with so many paper thingy like this, but I have taken them out already, and let me show you the inside. Here is the zipper, and this is a curved zipper. You can see it's not straight. And this bag is not practical at all, guys, because it's very hard to like take your stuff out and put them back because of this strap. But this is different and I don't have anything like this, so I got this one because I have so many traditional bags, so I thought let me get something different and unique. That's why I got this one. Here is the inside, leather interior, same color as the outside, and let me show you the leather. Yeah, so this is my new bag from Bottega, and I don't think this will be my last bag from the brand. I love it so much. This is different. This is not for everyone, but I love it. What do you guys think? Do you like this bag? Do you love it or hate it? Or please let me know in the comment section what you think about this bag. So this is my last item for this Christmas. This concludes this Christmas haul, or what I got for Christmas. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.